Welcome to Retro Skill Modelling. This is part 6 of Revell Star Wars X34 Landspeeder. Scale is 1 to 14. Part 6 is the final reveal video, but before we get into that, a little bit about the kit. As you can see on the box, this was brought out for the 40th anniversary of Star Wars, and this is a reboxed kit. The limited edition part of the kit is the poster that's supplied with the kit, as well as the paint, cement and brush. So don't think that you're going to get a brand new mould with this kit. You're not. But the mould itself is still very sharp and fits together extremely well. Now, true, it is a basic kit. There's not a lot in it. Obviously, a more experienced builder can modify the kit as they see fit. And there's quite a lot of scope to do that. I was thinking about placing in some lights, having the glow for the hopper function, but that would have taken me a lot of time. So I decided not to do that and just go for the straight build. I'm building this on the back of my Enterprise D kit, so there was a lot of light building in that, so I wanted to have a little step back from that, hence why I didn't bother with any lights in this particular kit. But as a standalone kit, this functions perfectly well. I didn't have any issues with fitting, paint choices, apart from maybe the having to mix colours. That's just one of my pet hates. I wouldn't hold that against the actual kit itself. This kit is ideal for beginners and experienced builders alike. If you're a Star Wars fan and you want to get into building these sort of kits, this is a very good place to start. If you're a beginner completely, but want to have a go at building something, again, this kit will give you a good standing, I think. But it is worth bearing in mind, as I said, it is a basic kit. So if you haven't done so already, why don't you check out the channel for my other builds? If you hit the notification bell, you'll be kept up to date with all my future builds. Hit the like button, don't be afraid to leave a comment, and of course you can share this video. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the final reveal, and thank you all very much for watching. But for now, bye bye.